It's really terrible. The streets are filled with garbage. Mouses, cockroaches, and flies are appearing everywhere.
Ew!
The people are advised to wear masks when going outside.
If trash is not cleaned up, there is a risk of disease outbreaks.
The air is heavily polluted.
My garbage truck is broken. I can't collect the garbage anymore.
No problem. I'll build a new garbage truck for you. How to build the garbage truck. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the lifting and pushing arm. Step 3. Build the garbage compartment. Step 4. Build the engine. Testing.
Great, I can continue my work now.
All right, Alex, let's clean up the streets together.
Everyone, I come back with my new garbage truck.
You'll work well.
Wish you work efficiently.
Welcome back.
Let's start collecting trash now. Great, it's exactly what it works.
Keep up the good work cleaning.
You do very well.
Look what I did.
Hang in there, Alex.
Thank you for helping to clean our environment.
I'm done.
This morning, a giant Orbeez rain occurred at Lego Park. The sudden rain caused heavy damage to the park.
Let's go, Mr. Hand. We need to help them clean up the giant Orbeez at the park. We are here to help you.
What a great garbage truck.
Marvelous.
I did it.
Yeah!
Orbeez have been completely collected. The park is clean again.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Recyclable waste. Organic waste. Dangerous waste.
Hey, don't litter.
We need to upgrade this machine to push the garbage.
Okay.
Help!
Huh?
Thank you so much.
I have to get out of here. This pool is disgusting.
This pool is so dirty.
Oh my god.
Gross! Too dirty!
Disgusting.
Too dirty. We can't swim here.
Someone has to clean this place.
Why so much trash here? Someone has to clean this place.
Great idea!
Everyone, let's help clean the pool. Okay.
I'll wash up this area.
So tired.
But there's still a lot of trash.
What about the pool?
We need to clean it too.
There's too much trash.
I think we need to find another solution.
I've got an idea. 2 hours later. The water cleaning machine is operating.
Well done. Good job! The pool is almost clean. We're about to swim.
Oh no, what about this pile of trash?
We can't clean all it up.
Don't worry, I have this garbage truck.
Really?
Look, there's garbage truck is full of trash.
It's gonna help us clean all it up.
The garbage truck is full.
Too dirty.
The pool is completely clean.
The pool has been cleaned. Everyone can go swimming now.
Time to swim.
The pool is clean now. Yeah, let's swimming.
What's that? There's so much trash here. I will save this beach.
How to build the harvester. Step 1. Build the header. Add the gears. Add the blades. Add the chain. Step 2. Build the body. Add the wheels. Add the battery box. Step 3. Connect.
Yoo-hoo! I'm ready.
High reach sweeping.
Hey,
Everyone, I came back.
wow.
Let's start cleaning up right away.
It's exactly what it worked.
My harvester is the best. Great! Yoo-hoo! Look what I do. I finished cleaning up everything.
It's not done yet. There's still so much trash here.
You mess all it up.
I'll upgrade the vehicle.
How to build the sweepers. Step 1. Build the header. Add the gears. Add the sweeper. Add the gears. Detach a header from the body. Step 2. Connect. Low reach sweeping.
Everyone, look.
What a great car. Marvelous. Everyone admires me, don't they? I did it.
There he comes again.
Guys, what do you think?
This isn't helpful at all.
Oh my god!
Disappointing.
How did he do that? Trash still everywhere.
Oh no.
It was supposed to take the trash.
Yes, not leave it scattered.
It's all the same.
Unbelievable.
So tired.